Hey, it's been a while since I made a video, so I just kind of wanted to give a couple basic updates. One here is my plate carrier. Got a new morale patch on it. It's a 5x3 American flag. I just kind of like it better, stands out more. Um, the other patches are just a little too small. They're more designed for arm use. The user identify here, hence the larger size. Um, got my drinking tube through there, a little camel backish kind of thing that I mollied through the back of my pack here. I've got a kind of a recce vest set up. It's a multi-cam, holds about 6 mags through here. But that's more for like long-range patrol type stuff. This is more for like in-vehicle, urban, suburban type theoretical stuff. But mostly I'm here to talk about my rifle. So, it's been a while since I've shown this. It's got a few updates on it. I've been kind of slacking and working, 12, 13-hour days, so that would do it. Let's see, you got your Viking Tactics sling, got some Ranger bands on it to sort it out of the way. Same scope, 1x6 LPVO. Got entry budget level by Monster Tactical. He's actually pretty decent. I really haven't had any kind of issues at it whatsoever. Cool thing. If you're zeroed at a 100 yards properly, and then on your 300 yard BDC point will also equal 25 yards. What does this mean? This means that 25 yards, you just drop down to your 300 yard mark, and you're good. So yeah, you can do an indoor range with that, or if you have limited space at your outdoor range, you can do that too. Extreme light, tactical flashlight, right, with a 45-degree mount up top. So it's a little more inline, in stream, that kind of thing. I'm liking it pretty well. This mag pull, flip up sights, pretty standard stuff. Here and there, really. I had a linear compensator. Who was it by? Some machine company. So it's a linear compensator. It looks a lot like a flash hider. It is. It's also compensator. It's got the brake design. It's got some outside threads on it. On top of it, you put on a shroud. You screw it on. Gives you about this much extra length. Now, it does seem to help push the recoil into you more linear versus jumping up or down or horizontal. So that was kind of nice. The issue I'm having at home here is walking through the doorway, and it's a little too long. I might as well be carrying an 18 or 20 inch upper barrel AR through the house. It can be a little cumbersome. Nothing training can't get over, but at the same time, it's thinking about it. I just went ahead and took it off. The plan in the future is to build an AR pistol build, and I'm going to get a 11.5 or 12.5 inch barrel upper, and I'm going to put that linear comp back on. That way, help mitigate the recoil of the shorter barrel. Even though it's 223 5.56 is very little, at the same time when you cut back the barrel, there's more blast and physics stuffs. But yeah, that's in the future. And also on that note, on this pistol build I'm going to do in the future, I'm going to put on a red dot with a magnifier. Because this is going to be more for like a close environment or urban operations kind of a thing. And you put the magnifier on, hopefully go through a quick detach, so you can actually visually verify what you're seeing, and the flashlight will be on there. This here is more of a recce setup, a little more accurate suppression down range or whatever. So you'll have 2 different rifles for 2 different jobs. And if you get it like your SBR, pay $200, you can just switch the uppers. and then that would be alright too. Oh, this is actually an old thing I had. It's a B5 Systems hand stop. And actually it's on backwards, but it works out pretty well. I like the fact that it's more streamlined. It's a better grip, I think, at least for me. So I can do this or that, you know. So I like the way this feels. I can really pull it back into my shoulder really well. This is a B5 Systems hand stop K grip, or K for short. Besides that, not a whole lot else is going on. But I'm doing an air pistol build in the not too distant future. Maybe taking some online gunsmithing courses, that kind of thing. That's it. I hope this year doesn't suck as horribly as last year. Have a good one.